Given this dot plot of quiz scores, how do we calculate the mean number of quiz scores? Welcome to MooMooMath in Science. To begin with, we can use this equation or formula, the total correct answers divided by the number of students. And both of these are given on this dot plot. We have the correct answers on the x-axis and the number of students on the y. So let's begin. Let's look at this first column. We have 3 correct answers, and it looks like 2 people got 3 correct. So I'm going to write 2 times 3. This next column is 6 correct answers, and it looks like 4 people got 6 correct answers. Now, how about 7 correct answers? It looks like we have 1, 2, 3. Or you can just go over here and see the 3. So we had 3 people get 7 correct answers. And then over here we have 10 correct answers. And 1 person got 10 correct. Because we have 1 and we have the 10. So now let's multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 6 is 24. 3 times 7 is 21, and 1 times 10 is 10. So this column will give us the number of students. And if you add 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1, that gives you 10. And then if we add 6, 24, 21, and 10, that gives us a total of 61, and that gives us the total of correct answers. If you divide 61 by 10, it is 6 1/10. So we can round that to 6. So the mean of the correct answers is 6. Let's look at another example. Let's take a look at another example. In this, we have PACER scores and number of students. And let's see if we can't find what the mean is of the PACER score. So again, we're going to use total PACER scores divided by the number of students. So this column, they got to a 20, and we have 2 people that did that. So I'm going to go 2 times 20. And then this column, we have 40, and it looks like 5 people scored 40. And then 50, looks like 6 people did that. And that is 50. And then we have the people who hung in there, and it was really tough. And it looks like 3 people received, made it to 90, which is, as you know, if you've done the PACER before, is very good. And then we have the person that hung in there to 100, and there was only 1 person that got to 100, which, if you've ever done the PACER, is very impressive. So now let's start multiplying some. We have 2 times 20, which is 40. And then we have 5 times 40, which is 200. Then we have 6 times 50, which is 300. Then 3 times 90, 270, and 1 times 10 is 100. So now let's add. This column will give us the number of students. So if you add 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1, that gives us 17. So the number of students is 17. And then if we add 40, 200, 300, 270, and 100, that gives us 910. And that equals the total PACER scores. And if you divide 910 by 17, that gives you 53 5/10. So let's round that to 54. So the mean score on the PACER of your students, of 17 students, is 54. Thanks for watching, and remember, kindness multiplies kindness. Be kind someone today.